Hey guys, welcome. My name is MagdalineJanet and welcome to my channel. Today I am so excited because I'm doing a 2-in-1 type of video. I'm doing a first impression on these bad boys right here. A brand new palette, the Alamar Cosmetics Reina del Caribe palette volume 2 and the Ojitos brush set volume 2. She is the sister of the Reina del Caribe volume 1. If you guys are not familiar, the palette does look like this. And it came, I got this in a BoxyCharm last year in June. But this one, I went ahead and bought it myself. I did get it on sale, so just to throw that out there. But yeah, today I'm reviewing this palette, the brushes, and also creating a Valentine's Day makeup look. So if you're interested, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do post videos 3 times a week. And without further ado, let's just get started. All right, guys, we're gonna start. Here she is, this lovely beauty right here. Let's open her up. Looks like this. I'm gonna use one of her brushes. So I am going to start with Mambo, the yellow shade right here. We're gonna just start right here above the crease. And it's blending very well. And as you can see, the yellow is coming up on my lid. Yellows don't tend to show on my lid too well. For the most part, I have to build it several times, but this one shows. And I'm just doing it here a second time. I'm on my second layer here. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I did prime my lid with this LA Girl concealer and I just set it really quick. And it appears, and it is just working well. It's blending out like a dream. All right, next we are going to go in. We're gonna use the second brush and use this pink shade right here called Flamingo. There is a bit of kickback on the pan, but I don't mind kickback on the pan. You know what, I don't like this brush for that. I'm gonna go in with this Dose of Colors blending brush to hit it right on the crease. And the pink looks pretty, you can see it very well. I'm just blending out ever so slightly. Okay, now that we have both colors nicely blended, we're gonna go in with Damas right here. It is this very nice plum shade, and we're gonna add it right here on the corner of the eye. So what are you guys' Valentine's Day plans? I don't have absolutely anything planned, but to play with makeup, of course. The plum was a little harder for me to blend out than Mambo or Flamingo, but I got it to warm up to me. Now I'm just gonna blend out a little bit of the yellow without adding more, and a little bit more of the pink, which is Flamingo, so we get the nice blend going. We're going to wet our brush. And we are gonna go in with Rumera, which is this one right here. Look how pretty it is. So we're gonna add that shade right on the middle of the eye. And it's just blending out like butter. Also, I have zero fallout on my face. That's always nice to me. I don't care about fallout on the palette. I do care about fallout on my face. So, and then Tumbao, which is this gold shade. Look how pigmented that is. We're gonna hit it in the inner thirds right here of the eye. Then we're just gonna start blending these two together. So one eye is done. I am going to put the rest of my face on, do the other eye, and then I'll be back so we can do the lower lash line. All right, guys, I'm back. I put the rest of my face on a lip and then some mascara because I didn't want to hide the look with lashes or eyeliner. So this is how it looks. So you guys can have a nice view of it all. And yeah, so let's move on. Let's continue really quick and finish off the lash line. I'm gonna first start off with this Urban Decay purple eyeliner and put it in my waterline. And this does not have to be neat because we're just gonna blend it out anyway. I keep forgetting to do it first and I always do it last and it just becomes a big mess. And we are going to go in with the shade Damas, the nice plum shade. And we're gonna go in with the brush that came with the set. And by the way, I bought them separately. It didn't come all together. And I forgot to mention, I don't know, I'm like forgetting what I did like 10 minutes ago, and I forgot to mention the price. This retails for $28. Its shelf life is 12 months. And the shimmers, it suggests that you can use wet and the mattes dry. It says it right here. And the drop, the watermark, and then the little moon looking thing, they are on the palette next to each shadow. If you can see. I thought that was a pretty neat idea, and yeah, let's just get on with the lower lash line. Okay, so we're just gonna get this pencil brush that came with the set. It's part of like the volume 2 edition. What I really love about her brushes is that they're super, super soft and durable. I used the volume 1 brushes all the time. I wash them all the time and I've never seen a bristle come off, which is amazing because as we know, a lot of brushes, the bristles come off when you wash them and it's like, okay, am I gonna even have a brush after, you know? But these brushes I love, and I actually bought a restock of the green ones. This is her volume 1 when I purchased this, because I also did purchase this 30% off, because if you guys know me, I am a sucker for a sale. So when I saw she had a sale that like, I think a couple of weekends ago, I was like, oh, I'm all into that. Oh, I forgot to say what I'm doing. I'm going into Flamingo right there, the pink shade, and just buffing out the purple. Since I used the other shimmer shades with a wet brush, I am going to use Azucar, this one right here, with a pencil brush. I'm not going to wet it. And that's the shade I'm going to tap on the inner corner, because I wanted to use the majority of these colors so I can show you guys, since it's a first impressions and all, just to show you how they work so well. And I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be back. All right guys, so this is it. Let's just recap a little what we talked about today. Let's start off with the brushes. The 3 brush sets, the Ojitos brush set, they come in 3 for $18. I liked both of these. This one is nice because it is very, very soft. I mean, all 3 of them are extremely soft, but I didn't feel like this one did me too well when I tried to build the crease up, but it's fine. I'll definitely find another use for it, so it's not a complete waste. I love this one. This one, I have it in the first collection in the green, and I absolutely love it. And why not have 2 or 3? I like to double up on brushes. And then this pencil brush right here, extremely soft. It's soft but firm at the same time, so it really gets under the lower lash line pretty quick and effectively. I felt like I got done with my lower lash really quick with this one, so I would definitely buy these brushes again. And let's just talk about the star of the show. Oh my gosh, this palette was so amazing. It blended everything out so well, as you can see. I didn't have to put too much effort. I didn't have to sit there and blend all night, and that's what I really look for in shadows, is blendability and also fallout on my face. I won't completely judge if there is fallout on my face, because sometimes great shades have a lot of fallout, but these right here didn't have fallout and blended so well. It's like the best of both worlds, you know? So this palette I will definitely buy again. I think it is worth the money. I do think it's a little pricey. It is $28 for 8 shades. However, because it is a small business, I totally understand where it can be pricey. I can't fault them for that. And I definitely like supporting small businesses. So this one, I love all the Spanish names to it. It is a Cuban inspired palette and I just love it so much. Actually, I have some family that's Cubans. The Cuban culture is just always so close to me. So yes, I love the palette. I will definitely buy it again. I do recommend it if you want to go out and buy it. Bam. And hopefully it's in the BoxyCharm soon, because the first one did come in BoxyCharm. This was the first one and it was in the BoxyCharm, I believe, last June. And I was so happy, but I couldn't wait this time. I just wanted it, so I went ahead and bought it. And if I do get another one, I'll probably just give it in a giveaway or something. But yeah, okay, I feel like I just rambled so much. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching this review / Valentine's Day look. I love the palette so much. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it was helpful and insightful for you today. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and I'll see you guys on Sunday. Bye.